What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Google Maps Street View on both your PC and mobile devices. Google Maps Street View offers a unique way to explore places virtually from the comfort of your device. It can help you check out a neighborhood before visiting, plan your route, or simply explore different parts of the world. First, open your preferred web browser and head to google.com/maps. Once you're on Google Maps, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the layer's thumbnail. This icon looks like stacked layers. A menu will appear. Click on More and then select Street View under the Map Details section. You will see blue lines and dots appear on the map indicating areas where Street View is available. To enter Street View, simply click on any blue line or dot. You can navigate through the streets by clicking on the arrows or dragging the image to look around. Now, let's move on to using Street View on a mobile device. Open the Google Maps app on your device. In the upper right corner, under your profile picture, tap on the layers icon. A pop-up window will appear. Tap on a Street View under the Map Details section. Just like on the PC version, you will see blue lines and dots indicating where Street View is available. Tap on any blue line or dot to enter Street View mode. You can navigate through the streets by tapping on the arrows or swiping the screen to look around. By following these steps, you can easily use Google Maps Street View to explore locations on both your PC and mobile device. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.